Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So in this video today, I'm going to be making a tuna sub with pickles. So come on with me, guys. So we're using this darkest solid white tuna fish, and we are also using dill pickles. We're using mayo. There's quite a bit of stuff that we're using to make this sub, and it's going to come out amazing. This is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. Now, for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, this video is a part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. Quick and Easy Meals is every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And it really doesn't matter exactly what it is that you make. You can make breakfast, lunch, dinner, desserts. You can make smoothies. You can even go out to eat. You can do barbecuing. It doesn't matter. Upload your video and I'll be more than happy to add you to the playlist. Now, don't forget to use the hashtag because this is the way I find you to add you. Now, hosting in my collaboration is Jean Home Decor and More and Deborah Cabasa Home Living. Now, as in all collaborations, remember that we always follow YouTube etiquette. You want to make sure that you drain the tuna from the can really good. And then we went ahead and we put it in that bowl. We chopped up some onion. We are dicing some pickles right now. And you can use whatever kind of pickles you like, guys. I'm just using dill. Now also remember that you can put as much pickles as you want or onions or omit any of them. Now I always use salt and pepper, and I always use Duke's mayo. So if you didn't know, Walmart has Italian bread for $1. You can't really beat it. So I had some left. We're going to be using that. We're going to cut up some lettuce and we're going to start building this sub. So guys, just to let you know, if you haven't been over to Jean Home Decor and More or Deborah Cabasa Home Living, we pretty much do a lot of home life, but we also do home decor, thrifting, shopping, and we love to decorate. So head on over there, click the like button, subscribe guys, it doesn't cost anything, and let them know that I sent you. Now I'm building this sub, I'm almost done, so we're gonna head on over to the reveal. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.